If you thought robot vacuums had already reached their peak, the new Roborock Saros 20 is here to completely challenge that idea. Engineered to master virtually every home environment, this model introduces some of the most advanced hardware and software upgrades we've seen yet from Roborock. From an industry-first liftable chassis system to next-generation 3D navigation and a redesigned hands-free dock, the Saros 20 isn't just an incremental update, it's a major leap forward in automation and performance.
Let's start with what might be the most impressive innovation, the brand new AdaptiLift Chassis 3.0. This system is designed to conquer thresholds that would normally stop a robot vacuum in its tracks. We're talking about a double layer threshold up to 4.5 centimeters plus 4.3 centimeters for a combined crossing height of up to 8.8 centimeters under the right conditions. Instead of simply trying to brute force its way over an obstacle, the Saros 20 uses climbing arms, independently lifting main wheels, and auxiliary wheels that rotate in coordinated stages. When it encounters a high threshold, the climbing arms lift the front of the robot, the main wheels drive forward, and then the chassis elevates again to smoothly transition over the second layer if needed. What's especially impressive is that it learns the best strategy the first time it crosses the threshold and remembers it for the next time. The result is smoother, gentler transitions that reduce impact on both your floors and the robot itself. For homes with high bathroom entries, balcony tracks, or layered door thresholds, this is a game changer. AdaptiLift 3.0 doesn't just help with thresholds, it also introduces dynamic carpet cleaning. When enabled in the app, the robot intelligently lifts its chassis when it detects carpets, climbs on top, then adjusts through 8 different height levels to find the optimal cleaning position. It can handle carpets with a pile height up to 3 centimeters, and if you activate deep carpet cleaning mode, it performs a second pass with enhanced brush stabilization to increase contact and improve pickup. This ensures better suction efficiency while keeping the mop pads elevated and away from carpet fibers. It's one of the most advanced carpet adaptive systems currently available. Navigation is powered by the new StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, and this is where the Saros 20 truly separates itself from traditional LDS-based robots. Instead of relying on a single spinning laser for 2D mapping, StarSight uses a dual transmitter solid-state LiDAR system with 3D time-of-flight technology. It maps faster, positions itself more precisely, and recognizes obstacles with far greater accuracy. It can identify over 300 types of objects, including small objects as tiny as 2 by 2 centimeters. Add in the RGB camera and advanced obstacle recognition algorithms, and you get a system that reacts quickly to pets, avoids cables more effectively, and adapts its cleaning strategy based on what it sees. There's also VertiBeam lateral obstacle avoidance, which replaces single-point edge lasers with vertical structured light. This allows the Saros 20 to glide along walls, irregular furniture, and even loose cables with better edge detection and fewer blind spots. Combined with dirt technology, the robot can actually detect different types of messes. If it encounters dry debris like coffee powder or cat litter, it boosts suction. If it detects liquid spills, it can switch to mop-focused cleaning. That kind of stain-targeted AI cleaning adds a whole new layer of intelligence to daily maintenance. When it comes to pure cleaning performance, the numbers are just as impressive. The Saros 20 is powered by a 36,000 Pascal HyperForce Digital Motor. That's serious suction, and when paired with the new dual anti-tangle system, it's built to handle heavy debris and pet hair without constant maintenance. The Duo Divide main brush uses a dual arm design to move hair from both ends towards the center, where a differential speed effect helps strip and separate tangled strands before they're suctioned into the dustbin. On top of that, the Flexi Arm Arc side brush uses an asymmetrical spiral arc with a soft rubber baffle to resist tangling and guide hair efficiently into the main brush. The goal is simple: near zero hair wrap and less manual cleaning for you. Mopping performance is equally refined. The Saros 20 features dual spinning mops rotating at 200 RPMs with adjustable downward pressure. Under normal conditions, it applies around 8 newtons of pressure. But when tough stains are detected and the deep cleaning mode is enabled, it increases pressure up to 13 newtons by lifting its Omni wheels and pressing the mops more firmly against the floor. FlexiArm technology extends both the side brush and mop to reach into corners, along walls, around furniture legs, and even toe kick areas as low as 2 centimeters. The result is improved edge-to-edge cleaning and better concave corner coverage compared to standard round robots. Then we get to the brand new RockDock, which might be one of the most advanced docking systems currently available. It features 100-degree Celsius hot water mop washing with bidirectional scrubbing to dissolve grease and stubborn stains more effectively. This high-temperature wash supports a 99.99% bacteria removal rate under test conditions. There's also 55 degrees Celsius heated air drying, intelligent dirt detection for automatic rewash and remop, auto detergent dispensing, automatic dust emptying, warm water refilling, and even auto mop removal. That last feature is particularly smart. The robot can detach its mops before vacuum-only tasks or before cleaning carpets, preventing any unwanted dampness. Add in 2.5-hour fast charging and off-peak charging support, and you're looking at a truly hands-free maintenance experience. All of this is controlled through the Roborock app, which acts as the brain behind every clean. With SmartPlan 3.0, the robot can recognize room types, learn your habits, and automatically adjust cleaning strategies. It can deep clean rooms that haven't been serviced in a while, lower power during do not disturb hours, and even rewash mops after cleaning kitchens or bathrooms. Pet-friendly intelligence allows it to avoid pet-related obstacles and return later to clean missed spots. You can mark curtains to enable cleaning behind them and activate built-in voice commands with "Hello, Rocky." And importantly, the system is certified for privacy and data protection, ensuring your home mapping data stays secure. Physically, the Saros 20 is also the thinnest Roborock yet at just 7.98 centimeters tall, allowing it to navigate under furniture with clearances down to 7.95 centimeters. That slim profile, combined with its 3D sensing system, means it can clean areas many taller LiDAR-based robots simply can't reach. So who is this robot for? If you have high thresholds, mixed flooring, pets, long hair, or simply want a near fully automated cleaning system with minimal manual intervention, the Roborock Saros 20 is built with you in mind. It tackles real-world pain points, getting stuck, tangled brushes, damp carpets, edge cleaning gaps, and solves them with thoughtful engineering. Between the AdaptiLift Chassis 3.0, StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, 36,000 pascals of suction, advanced anti-tangle brushes, dual spinning mops, and the powerful new RockDock, this is one of the most complete and technologically advanced robot vacuum and mop systems currently available. If you're looking for a flagship level machine designed to handle complex homes effortlessly, the Saros 20 absolutely deserves serious consideration. Don't miss out. Go check it out now.